The image you sent shows a news headline in Hindi. It says, CBSE का बड़ा फैसला, अब बदल जाएगा कॉपियों की जांच का तरीका, छात्रों को क्या होगा फायदा? Which translates to, big decision by CBSE, now the method of checking copies will change, what will be the benefit for students? This headline refers to a significant change in the CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, evaluation process. The news is related to a pilot project initiated by the board to introduce on-screen marking, OSM, for the evaluation of answer sheets. Details of the news. Pilot project. CBSE decided to introduce a pilot project for on-screen marking in certain regional offices. This initiative aims to digitize the evaluation process. On-screen marking, OSM, under this system, the physical answer sheets are scanned and converted into digital images. Examiners then evaluate these digital copies on their computer screens. Benefits. Increased efficiency. The digital process is expected to streamline evaluation, making it faster and more efficient. Improved accuracy. Features like automatic total calculation and the ability to highlight specific answers can reduce errors. Transparency. The digital record of the evaluation process can enhance transparency and make re-evaluation or rechecking requests more systematic. Logistical ease. It eliminates the need for physical transportation of answer sheets to evaluation centers, which is a major logistical challenge. Reality. This is a real initiative by CBSE. They have been exploring and implementing digital and on-screen evaluation methods for a few years now, often starting with smaller pilot projects before expanding. The goal is to modernize the examination and evaluation system. It's important to note that while the headline is accurate, the implementation is being done in a phased manner. The news reflects a real and ongoing effort by the CBSE board to reform its examination system, benefiting both the board in terms of logistics and students in terms of a more accurate and transparent evaluation process.